is a busy week for the folks at Savage Arena as both the Rocket men's and women's basketball teams will host their respective opponents in the opening rounds of the National Invitational Tournament.
BCSN's Claire Dow caught up with head coach Trisha Culp of the UT women as they prepare for Friday.
You know, Todd and I were talking, and one thing he said to me is true. He came down, he said, isn't it great in March for both of us to still be alive playing? And even if it's not exactly what both of us set out to do, it's still amazing. Like I said, there's a lot of teams in the country sitting at home right now. They've had a great season. We've had a great season. You know, I think this caps it off. You get a chance to play in postseason and see how deep of a run you can make.
Following their 5-point loss to Ball State in the MAC tournament semifinals, the Rocket women spent the next 2.5 days in limbo, waiting to learn their fate. When they didn't receive an at-large bid to the NCAA tournament, UT shifted its focus to the NIT.
I think it was great that we gave them 2 days off because I think they needed that. I think our coaching staff needed that to just kind of digest what happened. That was tough. You know, I think this team is so talented that I could have easily seen them cutting down the nets. And I think, you know, that we probably won't ever get over that. But I think with those 2 days, what we've thought about was just you've got to be grateful. It's grateful for an opportunity to keep playing. There's a lot of teams that would love to be alive still playing right now. There's a lot that would still like to be in the NIT that aren't. And so we want to be grateful for this opportunity. We want to take advantage of it, and we want to continue to improve this team. We're young still, and so it's a great opportunity for us to get better.
The 26-5 Rockets welcome the 16-10 Houston Baptist Huskies to the Glass City this Friday in the opening round.
Throw a little bit of different defense at us that we're used to. The ice on the wing, which is a lot different than any team we've ever faced. So I think we're going to have to make some adjustments offensively, add a few new plays. But they're also really big, so we're going to be battling in the post even as guards.
Well, they're big. They've got some three-point shooters. They've got some really good drivers. They play an interesting style of half-court defense. It's a little different than what we faced this season. But, again, it's a good challenge. You're going to face different things in postseason. That's the fun part of it. And I think the other thing is just getting used to they got a lot of length. And they're going to really pack it in the paint. So we're going to have to do whatever we can to get them pulled out on the perimeter a little bit. We're going to have to make some outside shots. Hopefully we can get loose on transition. But they're very good. Every team that's still alive right now, they're good, and you got to be ready.
I think we need to get back, like staying disciplined on defense. It took us a while. I mean, we got away from it the last game, but I think we can get back to that. Obviously, it's not the exact game we wanted to play in, but now that we have it, like we got to put that behind us and just focus on this game and one game at a time. And obviously we want to win the NIT. We have some new goals. Our first goal was to win regular season. You know, we're adding some new goals. We want to win 30 games, so that's our plan now. That's what we're looking for, keep winning one game, get closer to 30 wins. But I think we just got to know our scout, and that's the step. Every game's going to be different. We got to win one to advance.
The quest for 30 wins tips off Friday night at 7 o'clock at Toledo's Savage Arena. With the Rockets, Claire Dow, BCSN.